What's up, guys, girls? Quick tutorial, actually not a tutorial, an Ask Antonio. It's just a spur of the moment thing. Funny thing, I was recognized today while being out for breakfast with my little man Taco. One of my followers, believe it or not, I felt like a celebrity, recognized me and actually started asking me questions about things. This woman, she lives by herself, a widower, and she was asking me about how she could cool her attic. And you know what a great topic that is. What a great topic. You know, her attic way, you know, is a storage area all the way in the roof line, and you know, she's trying to cut her costs down and you know, trying to keep expenses low like all of us. So I said, you know what, you can put an attic fan in, or whether, well, actually I could put it in for her. We'll cut a hole in the roof. We'll put the appropriate size attic fan into the roof area. That will vent the whole attic space and pull all that extra heat out of the attic. And that will help cool your second floor, believe it or not. It's crazy, but it'll really cool down the second floor, believe it or not. All that extra hot air up there, you can pull, it'll pull right through the gables. But during the day, when the temperature gets to about 90, 100 degrees, there's a thermostat on these fans. They'll automatically kick on and pull all that extra hot air out of your attic. So that's a great, excellent question. I'm kind of glad that I ran into this woman. So, you know, it's just a matter of hiring a roofer, somebody that can do that type of installation. I do a lot of these myself. So great tutorial, guys. It was just last minute thing. That's why I love this channel. That's why I love doing this, you know, because a little run-ins with people like that, you know. So I'm a celebrity today. Anyway, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Ask Antonio. Thumbs up. Taco's tired. We just had breakfast. It's a little warm out there. So have a great day. We'll see you soon.